Ever been eyeing that new pair of sneakers, but payday feels miles away? You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to get those kicks now and pay later? Enter Beforepay. But can you use CashApp for those sweet Beforepay purchases? Let's dive in. Beforepay is basically your secret weapon against those I want it now cravings. It allows you to buy things up front and spread the cost over a few weeks. Sounds dreamy, right? But here's the burning question. Can you link your CashApp to Beforepay? The short answer is, it depends. While CashApp itself doesn't directly integrate with Beforepay, you can still use it in some cases. Here's the lowdown. The debit card route. If Beforepay supports debit card payments, and most do, you can use your CashApp debit card. Simply link your CashApp debit card to the Beforepay platform during checkout. Just remember, you'll need sufficient funds in your CashApp balance to cover the initial purchase. The bank account connection. Beforepay often allows you to link your bank account directly. If you've linked your bank account to your CashApp, you can use those same account details to make Beforepay purchases. This gives you the flexibility to use your available funds, even if they aren't directly within your CashApp balance. Important note, always double-check with Beforepay's supported payment methods. Their policies can change, so it's best to confirm before making a purchase. You can usually find this information on their website or within their app. Now, why would you even want to use CashApp with Beforepay? Well, here's the deal. Convenience. CashApp is super easy to use. You can quickly check your balance, transfer funds, and even send money to friends. Integrating it with Beforepay streamlines the payment process, making those impulse buys a little less impulsive. Security. CashApp has robust security features like fingerprint or Face ID authentication, adding an extra layer of protection to your purchases. Cashback rewards. Depending on your CashApp card, you might earn cashback rewards on your Beforepay purchases, adding a little extra sweetness to your deal. Beforepay comes with its own set of terms and conditions. Always review these carefully before making any purchases. Be mindful of potential late fees and interest charges. And as always, spend responsibly. So, there you have it. While there might not be a direct CashApp Beforepay integration, you can still use CashApp to make those Beforepay dreams a reality. Whether it's through your debit card or your linked bank account, you have options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.